Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below. So today I'm going to be taking apart the 325. I'm going to be dropping the exhaust and taking off all the heat shielding to get to the rear drive shaft, take the stock transfer case out, put the one that I welded together in, and then possibly, if I have time, take out the rear diff and weld the rear diff solid. Alright guys, so let me see. I just undid this hanger right here. I don't know if you can see it. Just undid this hanger right here. And then I just undid these two brackets. There's two of them. The other one is on the floor right here. I gotta start torching these off and drop the exhaust down. Safety first, kids. Even if you look like a tomboy. It's a good look right here. I look like a dude. Men. So I just got the exhaust out. I'm gonna go take out the heat shielding, and then I'm gonna take the rear drive shaft out. Got the rear drive shaft out. Now I'm gonna go take out the transfer case. I'm gonna be undoing these 4 bolts, get that brace off, and then pull the transfer case out. Alright, so I just got the bracket off for the transfer case and the transmission. And now I gotta take off the front drive shaft, which is just got the front drive shaft out. Now I just gotta separate the transfer case from the transmission. it's day 2 here at the shop. I was here till about 2 in the morning pulling the rear diff and putting the transfer case back in, and I'm about to start welding the rear diff, and then I'm going to throw that back in and probably pull this thing out of here because I have more left to do, but I just don't have the time this weekend. I'm going to have to start doing it next weekend. I'm going to need to put the brake lines in for the drift brake and get the exhaust manifolds out. I have new manifolds for it, and then I'm going to start custom fabbing the exhaust. But that's all going to be the next couple of weekends. I won't have time to do all that this weekend. One side done, I just gotta rotate it and do the other side now. Just got done welding the rear diff. So we've got it all wrapped up in tinfoil, and we put a pair of welding gloves on top to just let it cool off slowly. And I'm probably gonna go wash my car in the meantime. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit like and subscribe below if you haven't already. And see you guys next episode.